Welcome to A-List. In this video we're going to be taking a quick look at our flat and polishing process on the Pagoda, where we refine the coatings we applied in the previous two videos and just get it looking really something and ready to go back together. Owen's busy polishing up the last of the four wings. The body's really coming along nicely now. So here we're just going to be taking out, this is one of the last parts to flat back on the body of the car. We've got a little tiny nib there, we're just going to block out. And then after that, it's just about, taking out that little bit of texture and sort of just pulling it in with the rest of the body, basically, to make it all nice and uniform. So this is 1200, and we'll go over again with 15, 2000, take it down to 3000 Trizac, and then it'll be ready to be rotary polished. If we just wipe that down, we'll see if we've got, have we got the texture out of there? No, so it's going to need a little bit more. Come right up to all the edges. Obviously you've got to respect your edges, because that's where it could go wrong, if it's going to go wrong. But equally, if you don't go all the way up to the edge, it will stand out. But just nice, calm, methodical. Let the 1200 wet and dry just glide over the panel. We use it's just water in a spray bottle, just as a little bit of a lubricant that helps the abrasive glide over the panel. They call it wet and dry because obviously it can be used dry, but in all honesty, I very, very rarely use wet and dry without having it wet. I'm even going to just roll, I'm now using my fingers, I'm just pushing the abrasive around the contour, that front radius, lower radius there, and I'm even just going to catch that a little bit. But I think that's almost there now. So yeah, this is kind of what we're going for. And now as it's drying up, you still see there's a tiny little small bit just there. Just going to include that, make sure we nip that out. A little bit more on this front radius. And that's enough for the 1200. And obviously I'm going to continue that across into there, and obviously again all the way along to the other headlamp bowl, and that'll do a lovely old job. This quarter panel here is like a classic example of here's one we prepared earlier. But yeah, as I was showing you on the front panel where we wet flat and cut the texture out with the 1200, this is now all the way through the final refinements. This is now down to 3000. The larger the number of grit, the smaller the particles, the finer the abrasive. So when we say a larger number like 3000, that's like a super fine, microfine abrasive. So that's been 1200, then we go 15 on a disc. We use a purple 3M disc, which we prefer. Then from the 1500 purples, we'll then go through to a 2000, finally a 3000 Trizac. Now at this point, the Trizac's used wet. The 1500 disc is dry. But yeah, there we go. Now we'll start spinning the mop over that and bringing the shine up. So let's have a look at the doors and the bonnet. These have all been sanded and polished. I'd say the doors are about 90% of the way there. But on the trestles, we only take them so far because we then want to get them actually mounted back on the body, on the hinges, back on the A-pillars, shutting on the catches, and then we'll conclude the polishing. And there's the bonnet, and the bonnet's looking lovely. Really pleased with that. Now, the next thing with the bonnet is actually putting it back in the aperture, because there's quite small panel gaps on that one. So we'll have to take our time and be careful not to chip it. Yeah, well, hopefully you enjoyed watching the video this week. The car's really starting to come together nicely. If you come back to next week's video, we should be concluded with the body. We'll have the bonnet, the boot, and the doors all back on. It's going to be dual action polished, and it's really going to start looking something. We've got a little bit more paintwork just to carry out in the boot lid area. That's still in primer at the moment, and that's got to be finished in 2K satin black. And that also includes the underside of the boot lid and the stowaway roof cover panel. But yeah, if you're enjoying what you're watching, please remember to come back, hit the subscribe button. Cheers.